Bringing only carry-on luggage and traveling light are both excellent options. You will not have to think about your lost baggage, additional cost, or other situations you can encounter when traveling with luggage. You never have to worry about your checked bags getting to your destination when you pack lightly, or even awaiting the baggage carousel. If you've been keeping up with the news, you've probably also heard about the staffing shortage that has caused delays, cancellations, and even a backlog of checked bags at airports throughout the world. Knowing that may lead you to choose to only bring a carry-on when flying to save money and reduce the chance of losing your bag. That's why in this video, we'll help you know different tips for when you have to travel light and save money. And before we begin, please give us some of your time to like and subscribe so that you're always updated whenever we upload a new video. Okay, let's begin. Number 1, pack the right carry-on bag. There are variations among carry-on bags. Many passengers don't think about how useful their luggage will be and just buy any old carry-on that fits in the overhead compartment. However, while deciding on the ideal kind of luggage for carry-on travel, it's crucial to take a number of considerations into account. You must first choose the size of your bag. Size restrictions vary from airline to airline, so it's always a good idea to double check with your specific airline to make sure your carry-on is acceptable. Different size restrictions for domestic and international flights are not unusual, so keep that in mind at all times. Second, you should pick the appropriate bag for your trip. If you're traveling, such as island hopping across Thailand or taking trains through Norway, a backpack makes carrying your belongings easier. You won't have to worry about lugging a large luggage through narrow cobblestone lanes or up numerous flights of stairs. Rolling suitcases are also wonderful if you prefer to move around effortlessly because you only have to drag them. Other styles of handbags are also useful, provided you pick one that suits your needs and fulfills your wishes for how you want to store your items. Number 2, choose your shoes wisely. Choosing the appropriate shoes for a trip is not that simple. Most shoes are thick and take up a lot of room in your carry-on, in top to being heavy. Having varied comfortable shoes on hand is essential. It may take time and a lot of consideration, but we assure you that nothing is worse than breaking in a new pair of shoes and having blisters on the first day. Bring 2 pairs may not be enough too. One that is cozy for walking or trekking and the other that can be dressed down or up. Change the second pair of shoes for a pair of flip-flops or sandals if you're traveling to a warm or tropical location. Additionally, if you need more room in your bag, you can always wear the larger pair of shoes while you are flying. Did you know about that hack? Number 3, roll instead of fold. Should you roll or fold your clothes? Is a question that many travelers debate over. Rolling your carry-on is the best option if you want to fit more goods inside of it while traveling. Experienced travelers always stick by rolling technique for fitting more stuff into limited areas. Rolling your clothes makes them more space efficient and compact than folding them normally. Making extra time and effort to pack everything neatly into your carry-on is worthwhile. The annoying wrinkles that result from folding are likewise avoided by rolling. You and your clothes are happy and wrinkle-free upon rolling your clothes. Before we continue, we'd like to ask for a few moments of your time. If you want to support Unexplored Learning, please leave a like and click on the subscribe button. This would help us create more engaging content for you. Now moving back to where we left off. Now with number 4, make use of compression bags or packing cubes. Even if you are careful to only pack the essentials, you might still discover that there isn't much room in your carry-on. Don't worry, compression bags and packing cubes will come to your rescue. You can fit more into every available square inch of space by using compression bags. It's easy. You put your clothing into the plastic compression bag and squeeze out all the air until the bag is flat and compressed. This allows you to pack more into your carry-on bag and saves a ton of space, up to 80%. On the other hand, different concept applies to packing cubes. Packing cubes, in contrast to compression bags, are strong fabric containers that stack nicely in your suitcase or backpack. Your underwear, socks, and shirt will all be organized into separate cubes when you go into your hotel, hostel, or room you will be staying at. Their primary purpose is to keep your bag orderly and your clothes wrinkle-free. However, they can also help you save a little room. And last but not least is to choose the right toiletries. It makes sense to use the shampoo, conditioner, and lotion that are given if you are staying at a hotel. If you inquire at the front desk, most hotels also provide free toothbrushes, toothpaste, razors, and even shaving cream. Bringing solid necessities like solid soap, sunscreen, and laundry detergent is an essential choice. And if you're really short on space, just leave the toiletries behind. When you arrive, you can acquire any further essentials. So as long as you have your required prescriptions, you are fine. Anyway, that's all we have for you today. Of course, there's still a lot of tips you can apply. So catch our other tips in our future videos. What do you think? Let us know in the comment sections down below. If you want more content related to this topic, make sure to check our channel. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.